So today we're going to be talking about importing products into Magento using a CSV file. So there are some guidelines that you can see here. The primary one is make sure you use OpenOffice for your CSV creation, editing, and modifying. Also make sure that the image paths are referenced are correct. And we'll show that a little bit later on. So you can see here we have a store that has no products in it. And so we're going to import products into this particular store using a CSV file. So if I open up my OpenOffice, here's the CSV file that I'm going to use to import them in. And this particular spreadsheet contains all the information for all the products that I'm going to import. I'm going to try to import 100 products. And this category ID tells me where to put it. In the case of my store, the category ID is number 4. And the images are going to be in a media import folder. So if I look at my Magento install here and I go into the media and import, these images are going to be in there. So you can see the image bo4.jpg is there. And that's where Magento is going to be expecting it to be. If there are images that are missing from this folder, they won't get imported. That particular row will get skipped and there'll be an error generated. So it's really important that all these products that you have in the spreadsheet have corresponding images in that media import folder. So you can see here I don't have any products in the store yet. I do have categories. Like I said before, number 4, ID number 4 is this jewelry category that I'm going to be importing. Shows it right there, 4. If you want to add additional ones, you can add them by adding a comma and then the other ID, which in this case, the products category is 3 ID. So to import these, I'm going to go to the data flow profiles. I'm going to select this import all products profile. And then I'm going to upload the file, the CSV file that I'm referencing. So I select it. And then I save and continue to edit this profile. So what it's going to do is it's going to upload that file. If I select this run profile, and then select that file I just imported, it's going to run this in a pop-up. So what it's doing is this pop-up is running, it's generating new products in the store. And when it runs into an error, like if there's an image missing, it will show an error on the screen and that particular row in the spreadsheet will not get imported. So it's kind of a big deal to make sure those images are in there. And you'll see that as this runs because there are some images that weren't in that media import folder. And we'll see that when it's done importing, not all 99 products are going to get imported. And keep in mind you can do multiple imports. If you run into problems, you can do an additional import, just delete all the products, and then do an additional import. And that'll give you an opportunity to redo that spreadsheet with the proper image paths or make sure that the images are actually in that media import folder. So we can see the indexes are still running. Larger imports, if let's say you want to import 3,000 or 4,000 products, you might have to do it in 2 or 3 chunks of products. So here if I refresh this jewelry category page, I can see that the products were imported. So it looks like there were 81 products that went into the store.